Hello, what is your name?
My name is Irene Vasquez Budumo.
How old are you?
I am 41 years old.
What is your religion?
My religion is Christian.
Are you married?
Yeah.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, I have two kids.
How old are
boy.
they?
The age is 18 and 22 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I'm working at 2 years.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I have.
Where?
I work in Qatar.
Okay, how many years?
2 years and 3 months.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer? Living in?
North Point.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,800.
How many family members there?
There are 2 adults and 2 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
6 and 8.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6:30 in the morning. And then I prepare breakfast for the kids, change clothes, and then I bring to the school bus.
Okay.
And then I come back, I will clean, and then prepare the things of the kids.
Okay, so do you go market?
Yes.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook 6:30.
Okay, so what time they eat?
They eat 7:15, like that.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I will go to bed at 9 o'clock.